don't think I did too bad with cutting. Kind of sort of looks like I went and got it done right, and I cut it pretty even, right? I just wanted to show you guys the final product, I guess, on how much I actually truly did chop off. I just have to say, I didn't realize how thick my hair truly was until I cut it and tried to put it in a ponytail, because the struggle was real. I thought it would be easier to comb my hair now since it's much shorter than before, but it's actually more difficult. I don't know if it's just because my hair is like sandpaper, or I don't know, but it's hard. I'm just lazy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I think I cut it pretty even, you know. A lot of people thought I went and got it done, and so I think that is a compliment, because I had no clue what I was doing, and I still have no idea. And I'm just waiting for the day when I actually shape my hair to see the damage that I truly did do to it. So now, since this hair journey is officially, truly, I promise I won't start over again. It'll start now. I know I keep doing like different things and cutting and saying so I'm starting there, but technically, you know, kind of have to really start over now. So my hair has been rejecting literally everything that I've been doing to it lately, which is why I chopped it off. So I'm trying to limit how much I'm putting into my hair and what I'm doing, and I'm trying this and I'm trying that. So one of the things I recently bought was this curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture. I've been using the leave-in conditioner, which I absolutely love the way it smells. Like, it's just like cookies and vanilla, and just smells like heaven. I've been using this, so I kind of wanted to try more of their brand. And so I got the curl enhancing smoothie. I don't know if it works or not, because my hair's sort of still rejecting it, but it's been much better now that I put this back into my hair. It's much softer now. So now I'm using straight up coconut oil instead of hair oil, because hair oil has petroleum in it, and I'm trying not to use that. My other two golden children are my oil mixtures. This right here is a mixture of Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, and I also tried getting this Africa's Best herbal oil. I think some of the things it has in here is, it's actually a lot, and I don't feel like reading the ingredients. But yeah, it's a mixture of a bunch of different herbal oils and stuff, and I wanted to try it. So I mixed all of that together, and that's in that container mix. This right here is my henna, alma, brahmi, fenugreek, shikakai, olive oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and I think I put Rosal clay in it as well. I think that's all that's mixed in here. Please forgive me if I forget anything, but there's a lot of stuff in here. And for my general conditioning mix, which saved my hair the first time, it is less natural than the rest of these things, because I did have my Suave, was it Suave? I think the Suave Naturals conditioning mix. I think this one was the avocado and shea butter mixture, and also the rosemary and mint flavor, I guess you would call it. Those two are mixed in here. I have more coconut oil. I have aloe vera juice in here. Why am I forgetting everything? Apple cider vinegar. I have olive oil. Oh, also for the both of these, it also has grapeseed oil, sunflower seed oil, almond oil, I think, and flaxseed oil. And I think that's it. I'm honestly just going off of the top of my memory. Finally, like, what I used to keep it moisturized was my tea mix, which is the chai tea, rosemary. I put a little bit of coffee in there, and the aloe vera juice, and I use that to mist and wet my hair whenever I want to keep it a little bit moisturized without like soaking my scalp. So I mean, it's a lot of stuff that I do use in my hair. But for my oil mixtures, I will put it in either every morning or every night. I would do one or the other or both. I probably would do both. And so I'm due for my nightly rub down on my scalp, and I'm gonna braid it and stuff. And yeah, I will definitely say it does make your hair pretty greasy, so I'm trying to use less than I normally would because my hair used to soak it up like crazy, but now it's rejecting everything. So now it's like accepting like a little bit at a time, so I'm not going to put so much in it. But I don't mind people aren't sticking their fingers in my hair, which they shouldn't be, and I hate when they do. So, you know, if their fingers are greasy after they stick their hand in my hair, then that's what you get. And last but not least is this Cantu Edge Control like extra hold stay gel, and I love it. I've seen people talk about it, and so I wanted to try it, and I used it, and it works so well. It's like 10 times better than using jam. I used to use that Pro Gel, the, you know, the big black container of the dark gel. I had a huge tub of it and I loved it to death, and it would keep my hair like in place and it would be nice. But I read the ingredients and it does have parabens in it, so I got rid of that and I bought a natural, I think it's LA Natural Gel Stronghold, but I don't really like it. Like, it's not for my hair, and I don't really want to use any gel anyways, so I'm sticking to my Edge. My hair's just gonna be like this until it could be until forever, as long as it doesn't look bad. I don't think it looks bad, so I just brush up the edges to look like I actually did something to it, and I leave it and let it be, and that's what I should have been doing. But you know, you live and you learn. Anyways, this video came out to be longer than what I expected. I just wanted to share with you my haircut, how much I did. I want to do more, of course, because like when I put it in a ponytail, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like some of the ends are really like straight and it just looks off. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, well, it's not showing, like, from what I can see, it's not, it doesn't, you can't really tell, and I just look like I'm crazy right now. But it's like these ends I still want to cut because it's not even curling. So like the rest of my hair looks weird, but I don't want to do that now because it kind of goes when I leave my hair out. So I'm gonna wait until it gets longer and then keep cutting those nasty little straight ends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and click that subscribe button, and you can check out my main channel if you want and subscribe there. I can't speak right now, and so, you know, hang out.